मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा, आजादी of expression. Welcome to the last hour. The headlines are as follows. Imran Khan says Pakistan shouldn't play against India in any cricket match. Elaborating on his statement, he says his country should play against India only if he is allowed to bat. Salman Khan's new movie to be released this Friday. News agencies report this too doesn't have a storyline. Why is this year so long? Because 2016 is a leap year. Sorry viewers, the sub-editor inserted this stupid WhatsApp joke for no reason. I assure you I'll fire her later.
You are watching The Last Hour with Arban Bhai Swami.
First up on The Last Hour, we'll begin the heated debate with just a josh bhara question. What is Azadi of expression? किसने कहा कि फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एक खिलौना है? Is freedom of speech absolute? As usual, we don't have any guest joining us tonight. This debate will be presented exclusively by me alone. That way, we'll have pure debate and not noises or tamasha to confuse the reader. The viewer. In other words, this is an exclusive.
In other words,
baby, kiss me. In other words, an exclusive run only by me. Swagat, ladies and gentlemen, to this Masala Wala Namkeen Chatpata show. We are here to create history, itihas, by changing public opinion, creating present and future trolls of social media. What a development we have. People raising anti-India slogans while living in India. इस देश का क्या होगा? I think this is treason. Anyone who raises anti-India slogans have no right to live in India. I want to start with the most pertinent point. उत्तर काशी के लोगों को बता दूं कि pertinent मतलब जरूरी, point मतलब मुद्दा. तो मैं शुरुआत करूंगा जरूरी मुद्दे से. What is freedom of expression? I don't understand why people are confused. मुझे बिल्कुल पता है, पर मैं आपको बताऊंगा नहीं, क्योंकि I'm an absolute genius. You see the connection?
Whatever.
Absolute freedom of expression and absolute genius. दूसरा और तीसरा और चौथा point. Why don't the politicians answer my calls? I wanted to discuss freedom of expression, human rights violation, fundamental rights. No politician has any clue. Can't blame them. Poor school dropouts and Italians. These things are so confusing. Even if they come on this show, every word a politician utters will be a contradiction. My point is, police should take action against all the anti-nationals who said, Hindustan tere tukde tukde honge. If you listen and watch our exclusive video, aapko pata lag jayega ki how anti-national the students were. The issue isn't whether we doctored the video. Well, we did.
Now you can see the original clip here, which is the second clip, which you can hear. The slogans are completely different. So they are not chanting the anti-India slogans here. And if you see the slogans they picked up from the third clip, which was on shot on 9th February. Okay. Now you can hear the audio and you can make out this audio has been picked up and merged with this particular clip, and this is how they did it.
We have a wonderful video mixing team. They need to do some work and not alsi hoke baithe rahe while I shout and push this show to be #1 slot single-handedly. Hey, chalo, come karo. Go doctor some videos. Go. So, I'm planning to buy more real estate. Itna investment option aur kahin nahi milega. Believe me, dear viewers, all the hypocrites who defy Mera India should never be allowed to buy real estate. I think they may not even have the money to ये पहली बार है. I repeat, this is the first time on Indian television that someone has come up with such an audacious but practical solution. There is no doubt about it. It is unprecedented. Television? Shut up! But you said television. Shut the fuck up! I know. Sorry. मुझे बोलने दो. Okay. This is my show. Of course, it's your show. Wait a minute. हाँ? जोर से बोलना. अबे जोर से बोल. अभी कुछ ब्रेकिंग न्यूज मिल गई है. The big breaking news of the hour is that I've gathered my thoughts.
Whatever.
So, on the last hour, tonight I have a cool argument. Expression of thought, pluralism, multiplicity, reason, judgment can never be absolute. Absolute. The vodka? Absolute. ये one way debate नहीं हो सकती. नहीं, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I present an unbiased show presenting both the sides. Freedom of speech is rubbish. Oh, by the way, we are almost at the end of the show, so let me just say this. Let me just reiterate in the end, we respect the freedom, but limited, narrow, unquestioned freedom. But you guys, you have all the freedom to hit subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In fact, share this video with your friends, followers, and just about everyone. I hope I've left you with a thought-provoking thought which has left you thinking. This is me, Arban Bhaiswami. Of course, that's not my real name, but then again, fucking off. Hey, fade out, Ray. Hey, Venta, fade out, Ray.
आजादी मांगते हैं, भारत से नहीं, भारत को लूटने वालों से आजादी मांगते हैं. और इस नारे को हम लोग एक बार फिर से लगाएंगे. तो हम क्या चाहते हैं? आजादी. आजादी. आजादी.
हर हर महादेव शंभो, हर हर